in these bonding options, and would also substantially improve the quality of bricks, because the bricks would bake much better.
But there's another way out. This is an adaptation of the Ram Lochan tile introduced in an earlier film. Where the local soil is of poor quality, the tile alone may be made of clay as a slim, evenly cured, permanent diaphragm. The story of the brick is the story of a first-rate performer, ruined by a third-class playwright.
As an engineer, मैं स्टैंडर्ड ब्रिक यानी मानक ईंट के लिए ज़्यादा प्रेफर करूँगा, क्योंकि प्लानिंग करने में तथा कैलकुलेशन करने में ज़्यादा आसानी रहती है.
To suit the artificial requirements of a centralized system of building codes, we've ruined a natural marvel of adaptability and utility. Standardizing the brick means standardizing the clay of different regions. That's easy enough if you're God.
In today's age of high-tech communications, it would take a simple phone call for the architect to find out about the size of the brick in the region where a particular project has to come up and draw up his specifications accordingly. Asking for the brick to be standardized is like asking the earth to standardize the quality of clay she yields. Instead of Muhammad going to the mountain, we are asking the mountain to come to Muhammad. What kind of logic is that?
It seemed to us that the CBRI had picked up a wrong direction of research and was trying to push it into the field. So this led to a total rethinking of the matter. There's no harm in accepting one's mistakes, and that's what precisely we did.
Sometimes one has to turn back in order to move forward. Our brick-making and ceramic traditions offer a valuable alternative to today's dysfunctional modular bricks. Perhaps it's time we went back to the future.